Hello guys, hello my lovely people, welcome back to Sisi's Kitchen. Today guys, we went to the zoo and it was also interesting, and I thought I should make this short video for you guys. So yeah guys, you can see the lion. The first time I'm seeing a lion live. You can see the big lion going over there. Yeah guys, and we have so many animals, different animals that you would like to see as in life. This one is so big. Like the fence here is not that big, but I'm so scared. Like guys, you can see the other one right up there, as in up there. It's heading up there. All right guys, so let's go check out the other animals in the zoo. All right guys, stay to beautiful camels. Oh my god, look at this. Look at another one there. This is so beautiful. Let's check out this chimpanzee. Check out this chimpanzee, guys. Look at that, enjoying themselves. Look at that, with the baby chimpanzee as well. Look at another one right up there. Yeah. This is so beautiful. Yeah. Look at. Guys, it's very dark in here. We have to see water animals. Yeah, water animals. Yeah guys, so I'm taking you guys directly inside. Come on guys, here we have fish. We have different tortoise. We have tortoise. We have fishes. Like you can see different species of fishes and tortoise. Yeah guys. Yeah, see, water tortoise guys. Look at this. Look at this. What are they doing there? Oh my god. This is interesting guys. Look at this guys. They're not lovely to look. Still at the zoo guys. Bongo.
It's also found in Cameroon.
It's found in Cameroon as well, but I don't know what it's called. Guys, you know what this animal is called? Let me know in the comment section still guys. Come on guys, let's check these beautiful zebras. They are so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited I came to this park today guys. I've never seen this like live, like one-on-one. So I'm enjoying myself. Enjoy along with us. Let's check out the hippopotamus right over there. Yeah, for the first time I'm seeing hippopotamus in my entire life. I used to see in TV also guys. Look at this. Look at. Oh my. Yeah guys, this park is so interesting. Yeah, look at. Thank you guys. Check this other hippopotamus in the water. It's so big, enjoying itself. Yeah guys, let's check these other animals together. I don't even know what they are called. If you know the names, let me know in the comment section guys, please. They are so can you see it? Wow. Have fun with me in the park, don't be bored. Yeah guys, I said I must do this. Yeah. I hope we could just take one of these and prepare in Sisi's kitchen. I wish this was possible. I would have just ordered for one and they will prepare in Sisi's kitchen. Yeah guys. Guys, let's check out this. Is it crocodile? Look at this. Is it a Radmo or? Okay guys, let's check this beautiful giraffe together. This giraffe. Look at guys. For the first time I'm seeing these animals in live guys.
Wie heißt das, Papa?
Wow. Look at this other white species guys. Giraffe. Check these ones, guys.
Niemand ist was außer du.
Let's check out these camels.
Was ist hier?
Warte erstmal.
Yeah, let's check them out. Camels.
Warum kann ich nicht schon lang?
Guys, look at these penguins. Look at them. Penguins, guys. They're enjoying. Wow.
Papa, guck
Look
mal,
at
die
another one.
hat Plastik im Mund.
Penguins.
Die sind Plastik. Das ist nicht gut. Siehst du das?
And a beautiful bird. A beautiful
Doch,
sight.
guck mal, der
Yeah, guys. Come on, guys. Let's take a look. Beautiful water creatures, guys. This place is so lovely. I take you up to another level. Yeah, guys. Look at fishes. Look at different species, guys. Some of these fish, I guess we'll prepare one in this kitchen very soon. Don't mind me, guys. Look at this different species of fishes, guys. Look at this. Wow. Come on, guys. Let's just feed our eyes. Look at this beautiful sight, guys. It's so beautiful and lovely. Take a look. Wow. These water creatures. Wow. Guys, check this out. Look at this funny bird. I don't know what to call it, a bat or something, guys. This zoo is interesting. Yeah, we have so many people here that have come to like have some fun. Yeah, guys, so you can see these other animals sleeping beautifully, like nothing is happening, guys. Yeah, let's check this out. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at this. Look at it sleeping. Good night. We are seeing the zoo, guys. Yeah, we'll have fun. Yeah. Oh, look at this. I don't even know.